Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we will discuss on topic caught between six dogs. Once there was a person traveler going through forest. He was going through forest and slowly as he was entering into the forest, he saw that one dog was chasing him. One dog was continuously coming behind him. Continuously. So he threw some stones on him and that dog went away. Afterwards, after few minutes, he saw that dog, another dog, two dogs. After few minutes, three dogs. And as soon as he saw six wild dogs were continuously behind him. They were chasing him. He got very frightened. He ran and ran. Somewhere he got the place to hide. It was a hut. And in that hut he went. But it was locked. So as soon as he just came at the door of the hut, that those six dogs were also causing him, they were just behind him. Suddenly his legs hit a big stick. So he took that stick, and by the God's mercy, as he got that stick, with that stick he was keeping those six wild dogs away. As soon as one dog was coming, he threatened him with that stick, and afterwards his threatening second dog was coming, and he threatened him, and he threatened the other, and finally somehow he was handling those six dogs. But slowly as the night was increasing, so those six dogs were continuously barking, and they were larving their saliva, and they were continuously not leaving him. They were just about to eat him. And then at the final hour, the hut door opened, and somehow anyhow he went inside and then he closed the door. And inside the hut there was living a couple, old couple. So they also get frightened who came suddenly, but they understood by his actions, he was pleading them that six dogs are continuously behind me, so I somehow got saved from them, and he was saved by that. Those six dogs they don't go away. They continuously were barking outside the door, and they continuously barked for many hours. They were there, but he slept peacefully inside the house of that old man. And in the morning, everyone was okay. All the dogs were gone. He thanked that old man, and finally he went away. So he got saved from the six dogs by first that stick, and then by when the old man gave entry into his house. From this story, we learn that what are those six dogs which are continuously barking to us and continuously giving trouble to us? Since the Jivatma enters into the body, those six dogs are continuously behind us, and they increase continuously. Those six are lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, and illusion. These six dogs continuously bark within us. Those six dogs start with the first dog. First dog is lust. Lust is the most prominent dog, which continuously bark on us, and we get frightened and demoralized, and we act on all such nonsense things. These six dogs are continuously barking. And what is that stick which that man got, from which he was saved? That is a stick of knowledge, stick of intelligence. By applying strong intelligence, one can be saved from the barking of these six dogs, from the attack of these six dogs: lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, illusion. Lust is there in every person. Every person is being affected and tormented by the lust. Lust, if satisfied, gives rise to greed. They want more and more and more. If not satisfied, lust, if not satisfied, that gives rise to anger. And he gets angry. Angry on the person, angry on the people, angry on the things, angry on everyone. And similarly, it gets rise to three others also: pride, envy, illusion. So these six are all connected and they are continuously tormenting us. By the stick of knowledge, stick of intelligence, we can drive away these things. And when finally that old man is our constant well-wisher. That well-wisher is the devotees of the Lord. When the devotees of the Lord gives us shelter, gives us the prime goal of our life, they tells us what is the goal of human life. They give shelter in their house. They teaches us how to worship Lord, how to be saved from these six dogs. And when our life gets enthused by the ray of spiritualism, then slowly those six dogs will be calmed and they will go away. They will never torment us again. So find who is that spiritual personality in your life. Take shelter of him and never give up the stick of intelligence, the stick of knowledge. With the stick of knowledge and that devotee friend, we can be saved from the tormentation of these six dogs. Hare Krishna. So, please comment on the chat section below. Have you been ever tormented by these six dogs? Have you been ever tormented by these six nasty weapons? Have you got the stick of knowledge? And who is your devotee friend? Please comment in the chat section below. Like and share this channel to get more and more notified. Hare Krishna.